So this week's word of the week for week number 30 is plyometrics. Now, plyometrics is defined as a type of exercise training that uses speed and force of different movements to build muscle. Different types of activities that use plyometrics are box jumps, wall balls, skater jumps, scissors, and dot drills. So make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity of the day, and we'll get started in just a moment. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So this week's Fast 5 workout number 19 consists of the following 4 exercises. Number 1, we have jumping jacks. Number 2, we have side shuffles. Number 3, tap jacks. And number 4, bottom kickers. So make sure you guys stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. Alright, so here we go for Fast 5 workout number 19. Exercise number 1 is jumping jacks. So what you're going to do is you're going to start with your feet together, hands are at your side. You're going to jump out, your feet go up wide, your hands are up. Okay, once you jump back in, hands go down. So just remember, when your feet are together, your hands are at your side. When you jump out, your hands are up. Okay, I like to tell my students, if you guys want to make a rainbow, if you guys want to make a pretty heart, or if you guys would like to clap, you can do that as well. Come back in. Okay, completely up to you. Exercise number 2, we got side shuffle. So I'm going to go ahead and start over here on my left, and I'm just going to get down to a nice squat position, and I'm just going to shuffle 1, 2, 3. Pretend I have a cone here. Tap. 1, 2, 3. Tap. I'm going to go back and forth. Okay. 3 steps, 3 shuffles. Tap as if you had an imaginary cone. Number 3, we're going to go down into a push-up plank position. Okay. And these are called tap jacks. So what we're going to do is we're going to get into that push-up plank position. Our feet are going to be wide. And what you're going to do is kind of like similar to a jumping jack, but you're going to hold that plank position. So you're going to bring your feet in. You're going to bring your feet out. Feet in and out. Okay. These are called plank jacks. I'll go ahead and turn so you guys can see at a side angle. So again, feet out wide and then in, out, and in. All right. Again, those are called plank jacks. Last but not least, we got bottom kickers. Now, Mr. Garcia does have an injured knee, but I'm going to do my best. So you're basically just going to get your heels at your bottom. So you're just going to go back like this, okay? So those are called bottom kickers. So make sure you guys get ready for your Fast 5 workout, and we'll begin shortly. All right, so here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Again, jumping jacks. Remember, feet are out wide, your hands are up. Once your hands go down, your feet are together. Great. Start for our Fast 5 workout number 19. If you have not checked out 1 through 18, I highly recommend it. And you guys can do the clap, rainbow, heart, really up to you. Alright, get ready for those side shuffles. Remember, 3 to your right, 3 to your left. 3, 2, 1. And go. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Tap. 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 See if you guys can pick up the speed, okay? Side to side. Okay, nice job, my friends. You're doing great. Tap jacks are coming up next. All right, let's go. Down into tap jacks. Here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Tap jacks. So again, you good. Open, close, open, close, open, close. Make sure you guys are breathing through your nose, out through your mouth. Alright, on your feet, let's go, bottom kickers. Let's go. Finish it off. You want to pretend like you're sprinting. Get those arms going. Move to the side. Keep your bottoms, let's go. Great job, my friends, you're doing amazing. Now we're just finished, my friends. And time, all right. 1 minute rest. Woo! This is a great little cardio workout. Again, thank you so much for your time. Thank you for joining me today for our Fast 5 workout number 19. Whew. I think by the end of the year we'll have like Fast 5 50 or more, something of that sort. So again, every week, you know, I post a brand new Fast 5 workout that you can do. Friends, family, siblings, cousins, aunts, whoever you guys have in your household. Highly recommend you do it with them. And it only takes 5 minutes, my friends. 5 minutes, all right. Woo! 10 seconds left. Shake it off again. We're gonna start with the jumping jacks. All right, here we go, jump. Start again, 3, 2, 1, and go. Try to do as many jumping jacks as you can. Challenge yourself, pick up your speed. Just make sure you have the correct form. My friends, just finish. Side shuffles, let's go. And we go down. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3, tap. 1, 2, 3. Notice how my feet are not crossing, I'm going side to side. They're called side shuffles. You guys can touch your ankles. Challenge yourself. Better. Do this exercise. Alright, we're going down into those plank jacks. Almost there, my friends. Halfway done. Halfway done with this round. Here we go. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Remember, open, close. Try to maintain your back straight. Make sure your wrists are facing forward. They are not turned out. 3, 2, 1. On your feet, let's go finish it off. Bottom kickers. Let's go, chop. Pretend you're running full sprint. Let's go. Oh, look at the trees. Look at the clouds. Look at the beach. We're down the beach. Let's go. Chop, chop, chop. Let's go. And time, my friends. Great job. You completed Fast 5 workout number 19. Give yourself a high five. Pat yourself out in the back. And here's a virtual fist bump. Great job, my friends. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout number 19. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought about the exercises, what you guys thought about the workout, what was your favorite part about it. Drop a comment down below. Don't forget that you guys can also drop a comment down below what you guys would like to see in a future Fast 5 workout, or tell me what exercises you have been doing so that I can create a new Fast 5 workout, okay? So again, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And as always, at the PE Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.